Hey viewers, so in this video we'll talk about the comment in C++. So there are two type of comment, single line comment and multi-line comment. To understand the comment, let's take an example that if you want to remember something, then you write in a sticky notes as for a reminder. So in the same way in a programming, writing a notes or a comment means that what specific type of code you have written. It is not compulsory to use comment, but whenever you write more than 1000 line of a code, you need it for remember when you have written the main logic in your code. So let's declare a code. To run this code, I'm using as an online compiler. You can use any online compiler or you can download the files. In the previous video, I've taught you that how you can download the C++ to run the C++ code. So to use the single line comment, you just have to do double slash and add the message to the it is your single line comment. And for multi-line comment, slash star and print write the message that what you want to comment, and star and slash for multi-line comment. But remember one thing, whatever you write in the comment, it does not print on the screen. So thanks for watching my video. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.